Hello lovely souls and welcome back to my channel the Hierophant 111. And guys, today we are going to be doing a reading for Leo. Let's see what's up with Leo, what's coming in your life for 8th December to 31st of December. So I'm going to make it monthly this month, because I'm quite from this month onwards I'm going to do love scopes monthly. We are only looking in the matters of love, guys, over here, as you all already know. As I have many commitments for December, but I'll see if we can make it weekly for the month of Jan. So let's start up from 8th December to 31st. What's going on, what's coming up for your in the matters of love, Leo? Okay, so I see you looking up and asking help from the divine regarding your love matters. What's up with you? You just want to know King of Cups. Okay, I see someone looking up to you with their cup full of love. Okay, I see this person is quite wealthy. They could be quite wealthy. They could have a very good financial stability. They could be good looking. Such kind of person is holding their cup for you and interested in you. They want to provide for you, guys. The Six of Pentacles is here. Okay, I see if your connection was over with someone, you know, it's not the end. This has made you something gorgeous, something, you know. After this happened, you are asking for help and guidance from the universe, because you have already finished a cycle and now you are much in your power, and you know, many people are looking up to you with their cups in their hand, and you know, one of them is really wants to provide for you. They are rich and you know, they really like you, but they are quite stubborn, I could say. Though they are wealthy, they have this stuck mentality. They have the Emperor's energy, you know. They are planning to approach you, and this is your judgment, guys. This is justice for you. Okay, this is the day where you get all the benefits of your good. I also see someone being divinely guided to come to you, and in their chariot with all their emotions. But this will create a lot of fear and tower moments for you. I don't know why, but somebody else approach. Though you're asking for someone from the universe, you're asking to manifest, you are trying to manifest this person, but when they come, I don't know why I see a lot of tower moments and fears. Maybe though you have got a lot of self-confidence and everything till today, you all have worked on yourself greatly, but you are not expecting this person, maybe, or they will not turn up how you expected them. That is the reason why, you know, you think that a particular person is for you and then someone else turns up. So this gives you a shock, and this is the reason why you might see this person in your dreams a lot before they appear. This is what I'm getting for you, and you might be like, no, this is not doing, I'm not going to this person. Stirring up you know, lots of past things that might come up. Maybe in the past you really were manifesting and you wanted this Emperor, and now this person is going to approach you and you're like, is this some kind of a, you know, sorcery? Is this a joke? Is this something like someone is playing you know, making me a fool or something like that? How can this actually happen? This actually happened because you came into the energy of the world. You became this most gorgeous, attractive woman. You became this person who is approachable and who has the right energy to be approached. So this is the reason why this happened. Okay, so don't be so shocked, and so don't doubt everything, you know. This is the guidance to you, guys. Let's see okay, what messages come up for you from your person, from this person who's going to approach you in this 8th to 31st December. Let's see what messages are coming up from this person. You redefined the term love for me. Okay, this person says that you redefined the term love for me. You showed me what love actually is. What is the real meaning of love? For me, love is the sweet thing I have for you. So they do have love for you, guys. Let's see one more message from this person. Seeing you waiting for me makes me doubt you more. Though they love you, you redefine the term, though they have feelings for you, but why are you waiting for them? That's the thing that's the question, that's the anxiety. Spirituality is altogether a new world for me. So this person knows that you are into spirituality and nothing do they understand about spirituality, but yet, okay, they do want to come forward and they do want to experience what's it to be with you actually. Though they are doubting you, though they might doubt you while they come towards you, come forward, but they do want to take this chance. Okay guys, so let's see what charms come up for you guys. And few alphabets if I can get. Okay, so these are the few charms and alphabets that I get for you guys. L, P, N, Q, S, O, Z, H, G. So these are the alphabets that could be extra signs for you guys. This person does have a mustache, or he likes to keep a mustache most of the time. This person is caged in them. Like, why would someone wait for me? You know, why? What special benefits will they get if they wait for me? Okay, as I told, this person is rich and all that. This person could be even social media famous or something. You know, they could be a popular person, they could be quite famous, they could be a celeb. That's what I'm getting. Also guys, I see a rose. They want to come forward because this was destined, guys. You were asking for something what was destined to be there for you. Y'all were not trying to, y'all knew somewhere in your heart, you knew that we are destined to be together. Also guys, I see someone of you is very much what I'm getting, we are educated, very highly qualified, very highly educated. And also I see one person over here, both of you is highly matured. You all have done your inner work, you all have done your spiritual work. That is clear because they say spirituality is not the thing for me, so it's for you. So they have seen you in your full spiritual everything. They have seen your shades and everything of life, and how you behave and how you react and how spiritual. They know much about you. So this is the reason why this person is quite attracted and they want to come to you. So I hope you all like this reading. So someone is coming, some popular, some person whom you were manifesting in the future, in the past. So and this will trigger you, this will get tower moments. So be peaceful guys, this is my suggestion to you. Try to realize that you at some point of your life itself had manifested this person. Okay, so just relax, try to be positive, try to have a positive reaction towards it. See you guys again with another reading. Till then, bye bye.